Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to Eons of Battle. So Games Workshop has re-released parts of Indominus. Let's talk about what we know, what we think we know, and what we may never know. So Games Workshop is coming out of left field by resurrecting parts of the Indominus box. My first thoughts were, that's a little weird. So the new models, they come with a price and oof, they did not pull their punches. It's hard to compare these kits to basically the best value product Games Workshop has ever made, but let's do it anyway. Looking at Indominus, it's got the full 9th edition 40k rulebook, a $65 value Games Workshop thinks, so let's subtract that from the retail price of Indominus, $200. That leaves us with $135 to split between the 61 models in the kit, leaving us with a mouth-watering $2.21 a model. Let's compare that to the re-released Indominus models now available only for web store order. For Honored of the Chapter, it's a $140 kit for 9 models, so about $15.50. Still not technically bad by Games Workshop standards, but it looks real sucky next to how awesome the price to model ratio was for Indominus. And in the Necron Royal Court, it's looking even worse with 5 models for $110. So just about $22 dues a model. So these new models are back, but they are expensive and only available to order from the Games Workshop web store. So I doubt they'll sell very many or keep them around for very long. What was Games Workshop thinking? Well, I don't really know, and neither do any of you. I have been in this hobby since 2011, and in that time I have seen things. I saw Games Workshop in 2012 get a Facebook page and YouTube account. I was there during the end times cataclysm of 2015. I went through the great Primaris debates of 2017, and I was on the front lines during the great Indomitus scalper rush of 2020. I have seen Games Workshop come out with hundreds and hundreds of models, and the only thing I know for sure is I don't know anything about the Games Workshop release system. What facts can we really draw from the release? Because that's all we have to go by. Sisters got a monopose army box, but then almost immediately everything in that box got a multi-part plastic kit. But poor monopose Chaos Obliterators are still only available in the Chaos Start Collecting. The Hellbrutes from Dark Vengeance got released with a sexy multi-part kit, but those chosen will never be re-released, except for one which was thrown in with a bunch of cultists. Space Marines are getting Indominus models released with new multi-part kits, but the Def Capta from Assault on Blackreach has never been re-released, even though they are desperately needed to replace this abomination of a model. It feels like Games Workshop is throwing pasta at the wall and seeing what sticks, without really waiting to see if it does stick. It seems like they knock it out of the ballpark just as easily as they put their foot in their mouths. Skitari are an amazing kit from 2014, but Acolyte Hybrids from 2016 are not. Deathwatch Kill Team from 2016 is a badass, fully kit-bashable kit, but the Chaos Space Marine kit from 2019 is not. In 2017, Games Workshop released an easy-to-build Redemptor Dreadnought that was completely monopose, but also released a fully customizable plastic kit that is as posable as a Gundam at the same time. Tau Pathfinders from 2012 have amazing posability and tons of options, but the Ambots from 2019 are a monopose box. It is basically impossible to draw a conclusion on what Games Workshop is up to. It seems like they're just making models whenever and however they want. I have heard every Games Workshop conspiracy theory, but I don't think any of them hold any weight, because I don't see any patterns or trends that aren't broken with the next new release. Games Workshop lets us know what is coming out, and they let us know when it's coming out, but they don't let us know why it's coming out. Let's look at the Indominus released Primaris Outriders. These are 3 monopose models that got released separately pretty quick after Indominus ended. What are we to think about this? Did Games Workshop release them because A, they are supplying the huge demand out there for these kits because they were explosively popular with Indominus. They are re-releasing this kit for the folks who need it now, but will come out with a real kit later. B, this is the real kit and no other one is coming, but Blade Guard veterans and Eradicators do get real kits. It would be nice to know which of these is true. It seems like Games Workshop has no interest in letting us know. Games Workshop is competing in a competitive field. In addition to all this 40k craziness, they have brought back a ton of old games like Kill Team, Necromunda. Hell, the new Apocalypse game is basically just the beta rules for Epic 2, Electric Boogaloo. So, from someone who has been watching everything too closely, I have no idea what's going on. And that's okay. Really it is. Games Workshop is just a company that makes models and games. I don't have a relationship with Games Workshop. I don't hang my hopes and dreams on the 40k release schedule. Sometimes I get what I want, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I buy that new model, and sometimes I don't. In addition to the occasional spicy opinion piece, we make wargaming tutorials each and every week, and if you want more, the best way to support us is over on Patreon. Over there, you'll get to vote on what I paint live on YouTube, some behind the scenes, and other exclusive content. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, so what do you guys think? Did I hit the nail on the head, or did I miss everything? Let me know in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching.